loves, welcome back to Shantana cooking vlog, where we cook, make, serve, eat and drink. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to need for Oreo milkshake. We have 3 packs of Oreo. 1 pack contains 4 cookies, like 4 full cookies. We have our surge milk here, which is the full cream milk. I'm trying out this one for the very first time. Normally I will use this one, which is the 100% cow's milk, but I'm going to test to see what's the difference between the full cream and the actual milk. I think this will be like more of the milky milk, but I'm not sure about the full cream. I guess the full cream will be like a little bit thicker than the actual cow's milk. And right here we have some ice cream here. I did purchase this. It's like 150 Jamaican dollars here. So let's jump into the video. So I'm gonna take off the lid and we're going to actually pull the bag and pour our cookie in. So let me show you how these are looking like. It's all in the Oreo. It's all in the Oreo. You can break them or you can leave them full, which I think I want to leave them full in mine. So I'm going to use 8 cookies. It all depends on how much Oreo you want to add to it. You could actually use all of it, but because it's a small batch that I'm preparing, I'm going to only use 8 Oreos instead. And then we're going to go in with our ice cream. I couldn't get any vanilla ice cream, so I went ahead and get my favorite, which is the grape nut. I don't have a ice cream scoop, so any spoon that you have, you can basically use it. Oh, normally for this type of servings, for the cup, it's normally like 2 scoops of ice cream you get, so I think this will be okay. Or I might not use, I don't think I'm going to use all the ice cream for this one, so I'm just going to use a small portion. Well, not a small portion, maybe like a medium size portion to it, and just add it to the magic bullet, and then I leave back some. Let me taste some though. My favorite. You know what, I'm gonna use all of it. No, yeah, because it's just, yeah, I'm gonna use all of it in it. So this is gonna be a very milky milkshake. And then we're going to go in with 1 cup of milk. Just going to pour. To me, or based on my observation, the full cream kind of look a little thicker compared to the actual cow's milk, but let's see. I'm just gonna pour all of it in. Ooh. Yes. I'm gonna rest it right there. Then I'm gonna cover. Make sure you cover tight, guys. That's important. I'm going to blend. Not for too long though. Remove the lid. Oh my gosh. Yes. We could add more milk to it, but that is fine. It is fine. And then what we can do is go in and just crush some cookie on top. Normally if you have whipped cream it would be nice, but currently I don't have any whipped cream at home, so I'm just going to enjoy the break. I'm just going to enjoy it just like that. Guys, this is a finishing look of our Oreo milkshake. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Shantana cooking vlog, where we cook, make, serve, eat, and drink. Definitely give this video a try. Let me know what you would add to it, what you wouldn't add to it, and comment down in the comment section. Feel free to give this a try. Send me your photos and videos, and I will feature it in my next cooking vlog. But here you go. So bye.